Welcome guys, so today I am with OPPO Reno8 Lite and I want to show you how camera pro mode looks in this phone. So at the first we have to go for the More tab and then select the Pro mode. It's up here, it appears right here, Pro Expert. And as you can see right now we got this few parameters like ISO, shutter speed, white balance, focus and exposure compensation, and I'm going to show you how we can adjust these parameters. And also at the first I can recommend you to tap on this information icon where you will find great description of each parameter. So that's definitely useful to get familiar with this, and after that you will just know what each parameter do. So let's start from the ISO. As you can see, we got this button to adjust it automatically, but when you move slider we can make it automatically, manually. And here we got the exposure compensation, the only parameter that we cannot adjust automatically. And right here we can use zoom feature. We can also enable camera timer right here or flashlight. Okay, so that's all for the OPPO Reno8 Lite, the camera pro mode. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.